code nga to, gani? All black. So, kato mga wala. Applause and shout. Ato na welcome our beautiful Debbie. You are very, very beautiful today. I'm sure your friends will agree that you are beautiful every day. That you look extra stunning and extra glamorous tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you our boss, and of course your family, your parents, as something for you. And as naman si Lola. Si Lola, picture ni Lola Kalingol. Closer, closer. Sige, ako na ihatag sa microphone kang papa. Usa ni sa mga rason.
Bago may palawa sa karong panahon na nga birthday sa bata karon nga si Dennis na 18th birthday o hinautang nga magpadayon siya sa kanyang mga pangandoy o mga mayong lakaw sa kanyang kalibutan. Mawala ito isa.
Take it. O palay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Let's make it louder and faster. O say dress code nga to, black. So, kato mga wala.
Yan,